In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the hex color code of an image using Canva. If you've ever seen a color in a photo and wanted to use that exact shade in your design, this is the simplest way to grab its hex code in Canva. A hex code is a 6-character combination of numbers and letters that represents a precise color, which makes it perfect for keeping your brand or project consistent across different tools. Start by opening Canva and either creating a new design or opening an existing one. Upload the image that contains the color you want to identify. You can drag and drop your file into the Uploads panel or use the Upload button, whatever's quickest for you. Once the image is in your design, place it on the canvas so it's visible and easy to reference. Next, click anywhere in the design to make sure the editor is active. This step helps Canva know which element you want to work with and ensures the color controls appear in the toolbar. You'll see a color box in the editor toolbar. This might look like a small colored tile or show the word color, depending on what you have selected. Click that color box to open the color panel. Inside the panel, look for the eyedropper icon. It's the small dropper symbol that appears next to the color slider. Click the eyedropper to activate it. Now move your cursor over the image to sample the color you want. You'll notice a magnified view around the cursor, which helps you select with pixel level precision. Take your time here. Hover over lighter and darker areas to see how the color shifts. Then settle on the exact spot you want. You can also hover anywhere else within your browser window, not just the image itself, which is helpful if you are matching colors from other elements on the page. When you've found the perfect spot, click to select it. Canva will immediately apply that color and display the hex code in the color panel. You'll see the code in a field that typically starts with a hash symbol like this. Hash is followed by 6 characters. Click the code to highlight it and copy it, and then paste it wherever you need into another design, your brand guidelines, or any external tool that accepts hex colors. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.